Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I'm excited. I want to show you what I ordered. Okay, I ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk. This is what I ordered. Jabra ear set. This is what I ordered. This ear set is 60 quid. I ordered it from amazon.co.uk. Nice. Beautiful stuff. Very soft. You can adjust it. Okay, can I adjust this? Can I adjust it? This is the earpiece headset I ordered. Jabra. You have increase and lower the volume from right here. Okay, you can make a call from here. So the control is by the panel. Okay, this is Jabra. Microsoft Team. Okay, so we're going to connect this Jabra stereo headset. I'm going to connect this. I ordered this from amazon.co.uk. Here we go. Settings. Nice gear. Device is ready. Passive noise cancellation for ideal concentration. Keep high frequency noise such as human noise out for better work collaboration. Get more productive. Optimize all major unified communication. Easy call management. Scope for delivery. Okay, this is what I ordered from amazon.co.uk. Beautiful stuff. You get free delivery from this gear. Okay, nice gear. This is what I ordered. Jabra. This is what I ordered. So it's very handy. You can exchange it. Okay, very nice. So you plug it in straight. You are ready to rock and roll. And also you can see you are ready to go once you plug it in, and you see it will show you blue is for to color, and also you can cancel. Okay, you can see with the call button, and also to increase the volume. If you check from the laptop, okay, if you increase the volume, it will increase the volume straight away from your laptop. You can reduce the volume. If you look over here on the laptop, is increasing the volume and also lowering the volume. Okay, this is beautiful stuff. Okay, you can cancel it, cancel call. Okay, this is nice. Beautiful stuff. Can cancel the call. Okay, increase the volume. You can also lower the volume from the control is right here. Okay, this is what I ordered from amazon.co.uk. Nice. So this is working. Nice gear, you can see. Yeah, can adjust it. Okay, passive noise cancellation, optimize all major unified communication platform and built for style and comfort with a soft leatherette ear cushion, adjustable headband, let you find the perfect fit. This is really good. Easy call management, external sound control, allow for making and taking more mutilated calls. So from this angle right here, you can cancel or make a call. Okay, so you plug in, okay, and this in, so you can take this off and also plug it in. So this is beautiful stuff. It's something that I ordered from amazon.co.uk. Nice gear. It's beautiful technology. Earpiece for call optimization. Nice. This is beautiful stuff. So you can move this. Okay, so it goes to different angle. You can also extend it. Okay, from here you control the call. Once you plug it in, you are ready to go. You are ready to rock and roll. This is 60 quid gadget I ordered from amazon.co.uk. Nice. This gear deserves your attention. It's something to think about. Very beautiful stuff. I love the color. Black, USB, wired. Okay. Nice Jabra Evolve 40 UC stereo headset, unified communication headphone for voice, soft phone with passive noise cancellation. This is gear deserve your attention. Beautiful stuff. Okay, nice, very nice. It's what I'm using to make a call. Okay, thank you very much. If you're happy with this gear or this video review, please do consider to subscribe. This is nice gear. See what it looks like. 60 quid from amazon.co.uk. Thank you.